adding and subtracting rational expressions is generally the same as adding and subtracting fractions. So I have to have a least common denominator. First, I'm going to factor all of the denominators so that I can look at what factors they are. The x squared minus 9 factors into x plus 3 and x minus 3. So over here, I'm going to write my least common denominator. Least common denominator. For the first rational expression, I have an x plus 3 and an x minus 3. The second rational expression has an x plus 3, but I already have one. The third rational expression has an x as a denominator, so I need to include that as well. Now I'm going to give all of the rational expressions the common denominator by multiplying the numerator and denominator by all of the missing factors of the least common denominator. So my first rational expression is x over x plus 3 times x minus 3. The factor that it's missing is x. So I'm going to multiply the numerator and the denominator by x. The second rational expression, minus x over x plus 3, is missing two of the factors, the x minus 3 and the x. So I'm going to multiply the numerator and denominator by x, as well as x minus 3. The third rational expression is 3 over x. It has a denominator that is missing the x plus 3 and the x minus 3. So I am going to multiply the numerator by x plus 3, the denominator by x plus 3. I am also going to multiply the numerator and denominator by x minus 3. Now that all three of my rational expressions have the same denominator, I can add the numerators just like I would with fractions. This one is complicated because the numerators still need to be multiplied before I can combine like terms. One thing I'd like to point out, when you are subtracting a rational expression like this, I always make it plus a negative so that I don't forget that I am multiplying by a negative. When I multiply the first rational expression is x squared. The second rational expression, I have negative x times x, which is negative x squared. When I multiply that to the x minus 3, I get negative x cubed plus 3x squared. In the third rational expression, I see that I have x plus 3 times x minus 3. I know that that gets me an x squared minus 9. So then, when I multiply by 3, I end up with a 3x squared minus 27. Now, when all of these are combined over the same denominator, this is my current rational expression. My last step is to combine like terms of the numerator. I have a negative x cubed. I have an x squared plus 3x squared plus 3x squared is a plus 7x squared. And I have a negative 27. My denominator remains the same. This is my final rational expression.